How can we ensure error states are properly announced by assistive technology? Ensuring error states are properly announced by assistive technology, like screen readers, is a critical part of creating an accessible user experience. The current best practice for accomplishing this within the code is by using live regions to manage dynamic content. Within live regions, you can apply ARIA to a container within the code. This flags the space for screen readers. When new text appears, it tells the user immediately. We strongly recommend conducting screen reader testing when implementing live regions or anytime you're implementing accessible communications. Verify if the code is performing as expected. Ensure the communication is clear and timely. It is also important that you test this with people who use screen readers regularly. Verify if the behavior matches user expectations. Combining technical implementation with user testing ensures that vital information is communicated correctly and reaches the user when they need it most. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.